A startling ordeal for one Valley woman. Police say she was followed home from work by a man who then held her up at gunpoint. Action Force Katie Lopez is live in our Hidalgo County newsroom with the details.
Police say the woman was coming home from a late night at work when the suspect, Jesus Eduardo Peña, attacked her in her driveway. Investigators tell Action 4 News the victim worked at a nightclub and left work around 2 in the morning. They say Peña, who was at the same nightclub as the victim, watched her leave and then followed her home. They say when the victim stepped out of her car, Peña pointed a pistol at her head and demanded her purse. Investigators say this incident was not a random act of violence.
The individual had staked out the individual staked out the person, followed her all the way home, hoping that she would have some cash from tips.
Officers arrested Peña a few hours later and recovered the weapon he used, which they say was fake. They also recovered the victim's purse. Mission Police tell us they're also looking for another person allegedly involved in this case. Now, if you have any information, you can call their Crime Stoppers line at 581-TIPS. In our Hidalgo County newsroom, Katie Lopez, Action 4 News.